Alright, today we're going to see what's new and on sale at IKEA. And we're going all the way to the top. I am looking at shelves right now for the bathroom. We're going to follow this big maze over here. Couch is on sale. There's a couple things on sale. Alright, so here's the map. First floor. Self-checkout, furniture, as is stuff. Second floor, bedrooms, lighting, mattresses, home organization, bedroom storage. So I think we got to go to 17 right there. But we are all the way up here, so we're going to start at the top. This thing, it's pretty cool. Wall mount drop leaf table with storage. So it looks like you mount it on the wall, and you got a desk for like a laptop. It's kind of cool. For $89. Check this out. That looks pretty cool. $199. You got drawers. I wonder if you could hang this up on a wall. Maybe. But let's see what it's called. Brimless TV unit. Nice. So how wide is this? 85. This is the length I need right there. So I found the shelf section, but these are all too big for the bathroom. And this is fine for like a bedroom. Here's a pretty nice shelf. It's on sale for $54. It's a shelf with two drawers. It's not bad looking. $54. It's by Alex. It looks like it's only white. I think we're going to try our luck in a picture shelf area, because these are not the kind of shelves that I need. I think I found it. This is the type of shelf that we're looking for. It's like this, except I wish it didn't have this lip right there for $19.99. Alright, so we're going to head downstairs and look for the picture shelf area. Maybe you'll find it there. But the tag said it was in the like downstairs in the decorations or something like that. So we'll check that out. So we made it to the picture area. We're going to find those shelves. I think I got lost and I couldn't find the shelves. I think we got to go back upstairs because that's where the bathroom stuff is. Now we're going back upstairs. It should be right next to the steps, but I don't know if the shelves are going to be there. Alright, so we got to go to number 8 right there, and we're up here, so we go around. I think we made it. We're in the number 8 bathroom section. So here's some bathroom shelves. That's not what I want. Okay, I don't see any shelves here. There is this one. That's not what I need. I think we need a plan B. We're going to go all the way downstairs. This is definitely not it right here. I'm going to take these stairs downstairs, and then we're going to go this way and see what's on the first floor. Maybe we'll find the shelves that I need. Alright, so that escalator is broken. We're going to have to take the elevator here. See how those things are not running? That one's running right there. Alright, like 10 minutes later, still waiting. Alright, one more floor. We're going to check this as is section out, and then we're going to look at the decoration section, which I don't know where it is. Right. It's mostly junk in there, so there's nothing to look at. If I can't find it anywhere here, those shelves, I'm going to see if there's any computers to look at. I think there's a service point right there. So it looks like downstairs is where all your sell stuff is, so you don't have to go looking for it. This is the shelf that we're looking for, except I don't know where it is. Market Hall. Where is the Market Hall? So 402-917-66. Okay, so I still don't know where the market hall is, and there's no instructions or no one to ask. So this has turned out to be a disaster. It's like I'm already here for about, I don't know, 25 minutes looking for a shelf. Guys, I found out the market hall is on the 3rd floor, so we gotta go back up. It's going the wrong way. Wait, this is like the slowest elevator on earth. And the other one's broken. Alright, we're going back on number 3. This is exhausting. I mean, just for one shelf. Alright, we're in the market hall, I think. I'm not sure where to go. So we're just gonna wing it. Maybe it's in the bookcases and media, so we gotta go back to number 4. Okay, I think I went the wrong way. I came back where I started from. So now I guess we gotta go the other way. This is a freaking maze. Bookcases and media should be coming up after dining. We made it to dining. The bookcase and media should be next. Okay, back to the shelf section where I started. So this is what we're looking for, except in white. It says Market Hall Decoration. Huh. Alright. So I just found out from Elena that these are on the 2nd floor, not the 3rd floor. They had some black ones up here. Maybe I should take the black one. Alright, let's see if we can find the escalators now. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can find that shelf. So this is the 2nd floor. I'm looking for Market Hall Decorations, and guess what? It's not listed here, so we're gonna have to. Oh, here's home decoration right in the center, but it doesn't say like Market Hall Decorations like on a tag. So we are here, and then we gotta find those shelves. We found a display of these, but they only have the long white ones here, so I don't know where the rest of them are. I finally found them. It's $9.99, so we're gonna take 2 of these. So I also found these metal ones, but I don't like putting metal stuff in the bathroom. There's also something like this, but I think I'm gonna take this for the kids' room, the big one, if it's here. Alright, I found the black one for the kids' room. Alright, I guess that's it. Now we gotta go stand in line. Alright, now we gotta find our way down where the escalators work. Also wanted to check out the water sensor that they have, so I wonder where that is. Alright, so I think it's in a lighting section. So if we walk through here and then go up and then go left, it's on number 13. We found the lighting section. So this is it. I hope they have the water sensor here. So I think I'm getting close because I found the new wireless charger. We're just looking for the water sensor, like you put it under your sink. I think I see the water sensor. Water dimmer. We know that's dimmer. That's the remote control. Here is the door sensor. Where's the water sensor? Hub for smart products. Do I need this? I don't see the water sensor anywhere. But if you have to buy a $109 hub, I don't think I want that. Huh. I don't think they have the water sensor, so we're gonna get going, go to the cashier and pay up. See how long that takes. Alright, so I got lost again. We're gonna go back to this open area here and see where those stairs are. There's one set of stairs that goes down or go up. I wonder where the ones that go down are. I found the steps and I got to figure out how to get around it. Alright, that was my phone that fell. Alright, now I got to go through this maze to go to the cashier. I think I found the shortest line over here, but we'll see. Credit, debit, self-checkout. Alright, finally we got a receipt and time to put this stuff in the car. I usually don't like the fast food here. It's pretty bad, especially the hot dogs. But the menu's not even working. But here's what they have. They have 2 hot dog meals. Those are really bad. Plant-based hot dog, veggie hot dog, double hot dog, vegetarian hot dog, macaroni, chocolate donut. I don't want any of this stuff. Alright guys, time to get my jacket on and put this stuff in the car. Alright, so we got the 2 shelves and then the long black shelf. That took a freaking long time. This was IKEA. Man. Anyway, yeah, going to IKEA is always time consuming, so but at least if you're at Village of Schaumburg, you got a free trolley to go to other places. But that was my adventure at IKEA. I don't like coming here because it just takes too damn long.